Topic: binary operations. A binary operation is an operation which assigns an element into a non-empty set. A binary operation can be associative, commutative, distributive, or identity or inverse. Questions: given a binary operation as A delta B equals AB plus A plus B, evaluate A 2 asterisk 3, B minus 1 over 3 asterisk half, C 4 delta minus 5 delta 2, and D 2 delta open bracket minus 3 delta 1. The solution: the first one is obeying the closure law. That is 2 asterisk 3 equals 2 times 3 plus 2 plus 3 equals 11. B minus 1 over 3 delta 1 over 2 equals minus 1 over 3 times 1 over 2 plus minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. When simplified, will give us undefined. C, open bracket 4 delta minus 5 delta 2. First, we'll take the first bracket according to Bodmer's bracket first. We have 4 times minus 5 plus 4 minus 5. That will give us minus 21. Then minus 21 delta 2 give us minus 21 times 2 minus 21 plus 2 equals minus 61. D, 2 delta open bracket minus 3 delta 1 close. We'll take the bracket first again. Minus 3 delta 1 equals minus 3 times 1 minus 3 plus 1. When simplified, will give us minus 5. Then 2 delta minus 5 equals 2 times minus 5 plus 2 minus 5 equals minus 13 when simplified. Number 2. A binary operation is defined by x asterisk y equals x to the power y. If 2 asterisk y is equal to 128 raised to the power 2y minus 1, find y. Solution: 2 asterisk y equals 128 raised to the power 2y minus 1. 2 raised to the power y equals 2 raised to the power 7 bracket 2y minus 1. When we simplify and collect like terms, y equals 7 over 13. Number 3, a binary operation is defined by a asterisk b equal to a to the power b. If a asterisk 2 is equal to 12 plus a, find the two possible values of a. Solution: a asterisk 2 equals a squared, which is equal to 12 plus a. We'll rearrange, it will give us a quadratic equation, which is a squared minus a minus 12. We'll factorize, we have a plus 4 bracket a minus 3. So a is minus 4 and a is 3. That is the two possible values of a. Identity element and inverse element. Given the operation s asterisk y equals 2xy plus 3, find a, the inverse of x, if the identity of x is half. B, identity of y, if the inverse of y is 4. Solution: x asterisk y is equal to 2xy plus 3. Then x asterisk inverse of x equals 2x times inverse of x plus 3. Since the identity element is half, we have half equal to 2x times x inverse plus 3 equals x inverse equals minus 5 over x when simplified. B, EY equals y inverse asterisk y. That the element of y equals 2y inverse times y plus 3. So the identity element of y becomes, when simplified, 8y plus 3. That brings us to the end of the topic, binary operations.